Hey guys, it's Char. This is my first official video for YouTube, and I wanted to do a video on a mop that I absolutely love. Let me show you. It is a cedar MicroTwist made of microfiber. If you can see that. It's kind of damp, but let me show you one more time. It's a really great mop. Aside from picking up really well, one of the things that I really love is it holds no odor, not like those old cotton mops. But the only issue I had with it was advertised that you can remove the mop head, throw it in the washing machine, and continue to reuse it. When I tried to do that after I washed it, it was impossible. I went on YouTube, I found a video that had over 100,000 views, and after watching it numerous times, at least 10 to 15 times, I realized it's impossible. So if you're like me, I'm one of those consumers that will call, write a letter, I want my money back, or I want a replacement. And I actually contacted Cedar the very next morning, and I was only on hold like maybe 10 minutes. And I explained the situation, and they sent me a $10 off coupon that it's good until the end of the year. I had already ordered a replacement mop head from Amazon for about $8.50, which I got the very next morning. But you can actually get an entirely whole new mop for a little over $10 at Target. I mean, not Target, but probably Target too. Definitely at Walmart, because I saw that, which is probably, well, I didn't want to go out to the store and I mean, hell, I was just gonna wash it and reuse it. But this is the original one. The only way to actually get this off is if you cut the zip tie, and then it's useless. I had some zip ties, but they were too small. So I actually took a trip to Dollar Tree and I found these zip ties. These are the size that you need. Don't know how long. It's maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 feet. I don't know. The long ones. These were perfect. You get 8 in a package for $1. I cut the old one off. I put the new one on. I haven't cut the excess yet. I'll do that when I actually replace, when I go to replace this one, So it's good to have maybe 2 or 3. I have 3 small dogs, and they're constantly going outside in the backyard, and I'm constantly sweeping or mopping or whatever, even after their feet. One other tip too I wanted to share is one of the things that I soak the mop in is Fabuloso, but there's an antibacterial one. And I was watching the Today Show last week, and it was saying that the EPA actually has there are certain products that's proven to fight COVID, but it has to have like an EPA regulation number on the back. I never paid attention to that, but Fabuloso has one, the antibacterial one. Usually all the Clorox products, usually most things that say 99%, it kills the 99% bacteria, but just check. That's just something I never thought about, but that was good to know, because I also thought about that with soap. With the pandemic, soap is kind of, there's a limited supply, and there's a lot of soaps out there, but they don't all say antibacterial. And for me, unless it says antibacterial, I don't feel like it's killing anything. I don't feel like your hands are really clean. So, just take note of that, because, you see soap and you think it's good, but maybe not. Maybe it just makes your hands smell good and feel good, but it's not really getting anything clean. That's just my take on it. Also, the number for Cedar is 1-800-543-8105. And I think that is it. I showed you the mop. I showed you the zip tie. And like I said, it's a micro twist. Did I say that right? Micro twist made of microfiber. Anyway, say that 10 times. But hopefully this helps. My first channel, I usually have a lot of tips. I figure I'll just start posting them because I share them with my daughter and friends and stuff. So you know, hopefully this will help. And you only have to watch this video once and watch it like 10, 15 times like I did that other video and still get no results. So hopefully I've helped somewhat. All right, well, take care and be safe.